In 1932, George Blaisdell took a lighter that barely worked, and made it better. That's how the Zippo was born. While most objects change every year, this one stayed almost the same for nearly a century. Because it didn't need to change. A solid metal body. A nearly unbreakable hinge. And a windproof design that works when others fail. But its most iconic feature isn't how it looks. It's how it sounds. That metallic click is so unique it's now a registered trademark. It survived war, time, and trends. And it still works. Why? A mechanism so simple it almost never fails. And a promise they still keep today. If it doesn't work, we fix it for free. A design that never changed. Because it was already perfect.